자, 가텔 2025 오디션에서 사이먼에게 노래 못한다고 무시당한 할머니 참가자. 그런 할머니를 위해서 대신 노래를 부르게 된 손녀딸. 과연 어떻게 되었을까요? 먼저 한 번도 보지 못한 이상한 신의 능력과 전세계 시청자들을 깜짝 놀라게 한 트럭기사 아저씨의 놀라운 노래 함께 시청하겠습니다. 렛츠고!
Hello. Do you want to introduce us, please?
Yes, sir. My name's Bill Taylor, and this is my band, the Appalachian Heathens.
Well,
Me and my dad, we used to play as a duet and do covers in bars and
Where's your
restaurants.
dad?
This is my father
Oh, that's
right
your
here,
dad.
Billy Taylor.
hi, Dad. And are you professional musicians or you have regular jobs? Tell me.
Have regular jobs. I'm a truck driver. I haul mobile homes.
And what's the big dream?
Big dream is to, it would be nice to see names and lights, but, as long as I can make a living for my family doing what I love, I'd be okay.
Okay. Good luck.
Thank you.
자, 트럭 운전사의 노래 천국의 문을 두드리다. 무반주로 스타트합니다.
Mama, take this patch from me. I can't use it anymore. It's getting too dark to see. It feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. I'm put these gold around, 'cause I can't shoot anymore. It's cold like that, it's got me down. Feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Hey, hey, knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door.
자, 어떤 심사평을 받을 것인가?
Wow, 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 wow. What a great voice. Howie.
A great voice and a great American sound.
Yeah. That was like musical Levi's. It was just so American and so authentic. I loved it. Genuinely loved that. Your voice is fantastic.
I think, you know what, that was really unexpected.
Thank you, man.
You're all really good at what you do. I can see you're a very tight, well-rehearsed band. And I'm just really excited for you guys. Very excited for you guys.
I'm very excited too because I think you guys made the best decision to come to AGT. The whole thing was perfect. This is the kind of stuff that deserves to be on this stage.
Okay, right, we're going to vote.
Yes.
Good, no-brainer, yes!
Super yes.
Here's a very normal 4 yeses.
자, 트럭 아저씨판 천국의 보이스였습니다.
Good evening. Who are you?
My name is Isaac Johnson. I'm from Minneapolis, Minnesota.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
Do you think you can win AGT?
I think anything's possible.
Go ahead, show us what you brought us tonight.
자, 이상한 신의 능력자.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You doing good?
Good. So I'm sure you're all wondering why you have all these objects in front of you. I'm gonna have each one of you select one, and I'm gonna put it in my mouth.
Huh?
Someone's gonna put one myself.
That?
Oh no, no!
Wow.
No, don't do that!
No, no,
No! All right, Isaac! This.
Wow. Readjusted. Great choice.
Give him your tangerines.
I know.
하지만 불합격받네요.
Isaac, we have a lot of people do strange things here on ADT. I've never seen that.
I set the Guinness World Record.
야,
did?
어쩐지.
If we could have broken a Guinness record, that would have been more interesting. Well, welcome to come back and break a record on our show.
Okay, thank you.
You could have done like a show.
자, 아메리카 갓탤런트 2025 사이먼이 할머니의 노래를 무시하자 손녀가 대신 보여준 무대.
I was really scared, but now that audience did that, I feel proud.
What is your name?
Gina Bellina.
Tell me a little bit about yourself, Gina Bellina.
Well, the great thing is that I'm here.
That is the great thing.
Second great thing is that I'm here with my granddaughter, Liliana. And my granddaughter is the reason I'm here.
Why's that?
Behind my back, she signed me up.
You didn't know you weren't.
No, I only know like 2 days before I was supposed to come here.
That's amazing. So you signed her up?
I did. I signed her up behind her back. I wasn't sure if she was going to be mad, but I just felt like if I told her beforehand, she might get psyched out and not do it. So luckily, she was excited.
Well, I can't wait to hear what you do. Good luck.
자, 할머니 오늘 자작곡을 들려줍니다.
This is crazy, right? You have no idea.
You're gonna make me cry even before I sing the song. That's
자, 할머니의 자작곡
Okay.
순수.
I know love for a mother, and I cared for a father too. I've known love for a sister and a brother, oh so true. I've known love for the mountains and the oceans, green and blue.
Okay, right. Hang on a second. Liliana, did you write that song?
She wrote that.
She wrote it?
She wrote the song.
Oh, I didn't know that. Liliana, do you sing?
I do.
Can I hear you sing it?
You want to hear me sing that song?
Yeah. Or a different song, whatever you want.
Woo! All right.
Now it's your turn.
That's a lot of pressure.
Right, well, you know what? Let's do it.
자, 할머니의 자작곡을 손녀가 부릅니다. 순수.
I know love for a moment. I know love forevermore. I know love from a distance. I know love like someone's war. I know love. I know love that merely walks away. I've known love for a mother, and I cared for father too. I've known love for a sister and a brother, oh so true. I've known love for the mountains and the oceans, green and blue. That kind of love with you.
is what I think. Honestly, Liliana, you got Gina here, but weirdly, Gina got you here. So because you've got the better voice.
She does, definitely.
You have, and you're actually very cool. And I like you, and I think people are going to root for you. So as long as Gina, you're prepared to let Liliana sing, this could work.
It's okay for you.
I'm sorry, Gina.
Your granddaughter has a beautiful voice.
Gorgeous. Thank you.
Gorgeous voice.
I think, singing-wise, I thought you sounded good, but I have to be honest, and you didn't quite get there for me. Sorry.
Sophia!
I like that Simon told you to sing because we would have never known that you had this beautiful, beautiful voice. I mean, I think that people are gonna love you because you're so good.
Okay, let's vote. Howie.
It's a yes from me.
It's a definite no for me. I'm so sorry. It just is. I have to be honest.
Sophia.
I'm gonna say yes.
Liliana, I'm gonna say absolutely yes.
자, 청춘은 다시 돌아오지 않는 소중한 시간이에요. 그렇기에 청춘은 짧지만 그 안에 담긴 열정은 영원하답니다. 잊지 마세요.